teach you how to add a Siri. Hello and welcome to another Quick Tip Tuesday, and we are smack bang in the middle of a series on how to run your YouTube comments like a boss. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a moderator to your YouTube channel, because it's easy when you're a small channel. You can respond to all of the comments yourself, you can moderate the comments quite easy, but when you start getting to a certain size, this comes really hard, especially if you've got a lot of old videos that are still getting watched, because a lot of the time people will just focus on the comments of their new videos. For those of you that don't know what a moderator is, this is someone that can make sure conversation is flowing like it should be, bad words are not used, and naughty people are removed for either abuse or spam. I've seen channels and I've worked on channels that have big teams working on their comments, that have virtual companies working on their comments, and even have specific software that they pay a lot of money for just to help moderate their comments. But what about if you could harness the power of your community and add one of those engaged viewers to your channel as a moderator, so they could help out and become part of your channel? That's exactly what I'm going to share with you today. I'm going to share my screen with you now, and you're going to learn how to add a moderator to your YouTube channel. So first of all, I'm going to show you the classic YouTube Creator Studio way to do it, and then I'll move on to the new Beta Studio way to do it. So you want to go to your Creator Studio, then to Community, then Community Settings, then you get the URL of the channel of the person that you want to be a moderator, paste it here. So I'm going to paste that URL there. It will confirm the user that you want to add as a moderator. This is one of my other channels that I use for testing. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to hit save. And now that person will be given moderator privileges. Let me just show you what that looks like to the user. So using this browser, I'm logged in with the Moderators channel. Let's find a, there we go. Lovely example of something that I could now moderate. So I can remove that as a moderator. Remember, I'm not logged in as this channel, I'm logged in as a moderator. So I'm going to remove that comment, and that will go into the review queue for the main channel holder. So now if I go to check my review queue on the actual account holder's account, there it is right there, then the channel owner can go in and delete that. I'll now show you how to do exactly the same within the YouTube beta view. So when you're in your studio beta, you go to comments, and unlike the classic view, as this is still in beta, you don't have the ability to just copy and paste the channel URL. So you actually have to find a comment from the person you want to add as a moderator. If you can't find a comment from that person, then what you need to do is get them to add a comment in for you, and it will go to the top of your list of public comments. Then you click on the three-dot action menu, and then add this user as a comment moderator, and they will then have the same privileges as I showed you earlier. So I hope you found that useful, and you can click here for the rest of my playlist that will teach you how to run your comments like a boss. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and you'll never miss another Quick Tip Tuesday. See you soon.